Hey folks, so I'm not getting a signal down here. I'm back in the movie theater room. And when I turn right through here is the garage. It's got an older epoxy floor. It's a 3-car garage. It's got a lot of space off to the sides. So if the car pulls in here, a lot of storage space off to the side. Hot water heaters, HVAC, nice tall ceiling. We've got the walls kind of lined with storage, so sorry I'm going a little fast. I've already videotaped this and it didn't tape or record. So this door has a permanent lock on it right now, but this goes right outside to the patio deck area. So then as I go back into the house, this hallway that walks away from the movie theater goes to a room, a nice size room with a closet. And they've got a king size bed in here. Headed back this way. So whoever stays down here would use this bathroom. So, really nice basement, very clean, no musty smells. And now I'm going back upstairs to take a look at the outdoor area. Okay, so this, oh, I hope I didn't knock myself out. This is the decking material. You don't ever have to paint it. It's not wood. Doesn't appear to be. This stuff is like indestructible. So there's some workers out here that you're gonna hear talking. Pergola looks fairly new. Got these holders for, I guess, candles or something. I've got another grill up here. I've got a raised bed here. I guess to have green stuff growing up near this deck and the in the sky. They've got their herbs. There's this big window. A little rosemary, basil, I don't know, lemongrass. And then we have a bunch of stairs going downstairs to this pad where they have a hot tub and they have outdoor umbrella. And the yard is surrounded with a iron fence of some type. It's really pretty. So this is Waterfall. Hope this helps.